For the past 4 weeks, there has been heavy downpour in my country, Kenya. A lot of people have lost property. Lives have been lost. Many things have been damaged as a result of a devastating floods. This has forced the head of state, His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, to postpone the school opening dates to an indefinite day. However, in my village, we have also seen some of the effects which has been caused by the heavy downpour. In today's video, I'm going to showcase one of the saddest events which happened this morning, which caused me to think about why we vote and whom do we vote to help us when we are in a crisis. This particular video is going to showcase one individual who indulged himself in sugarcane farming in my village. And now today he was harvesting, but by bad luck, he could not take his produce in time to the millers, the sugar millers. This has caused a lot of financial damage to this particular investor who came in my village, decided to do cane farming, and eventually is now harvesting a lot of losses as a result of the poor road network in my village. I've showcased some of the poor roads in my area, and this particular video is also going to showcase one of the saddest events which happened this morning, which I would like the whole world to see, so that if there's anybody in authority, if there's anyone who can help in solving this particular problem, then he can come up and help the village mates, all my village fellows, also to solve their problems, which can enable them to pursue their daily lives with a lot of ease. But before I indulge myself in today's video, I usually take the first opportunity to welcome and appreciate all of those who are watching this particular channel for the very first time. If you know that you're watching this particular channel, Public Desire Media TV, let me take this opportunity to officially welcome you to this channel. Feel at home, feel welcome. This is the only channel that you will need to watch each and every time you want to enjoy watching exact, accurate, specific, and relevant content that is meant to make you a better person in whatever you do. For those of you who are already PDF members, that is the Public Desire family members, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate and thank you, all of you, for the love and support that you have continuously shown me by watching my videos, commenting, and also sharing this particular video. Welcome and thank you so much for always considering tuning into this online TV channel. This is definitely Public Desire Media TV, and I'm your host, Julius. As I've said before, today I'm going to showcase one event which was very sad, which I saw in my own village, that somebody had invested, and it was time now to take his produce to the sugarcane millers, but it took him 4 days, using a tractor, a Massey Ferguson tractor, to take his produce to the sugar millers. This, if you take it into, if you convert the losses which he has incurred in terms of monetary values, you'll realize that this guy has incurred a lot of fuel, manpower, that is labor also, and also time, which is quite irreversible, which you can never recover. So I want you, my valuable viewers, to watch this particular video right from the beginning until the tail end, so that you can be able to enjoy what we call great content. In a region where majority of the residents are predominantly farmers, we have received the heavy downpour with mixed reactions. There is the good part of it and also the ugly part of it. The good part is that, as you can see from the video here, the maize plantations are doing so well as a result of the good rainfall which has been pounding this region for the past 4 weeks. The other good thing is that majority of the residents of this beautiful village have indulged themselves in tree planting. As you can see from here, many people have taken tree seedlings from the nearest collection point and indulged themselves in tree planting. You can see from this particular place, this whole area, this particular individual has taken his time to plant trees. This is a good measure to mitigate the losses that may come as a result of the heavy downpour, which also are affecting the crop production in my region. So there is one individual who did so well here. I'm in his farm now, and he took his time also to construct gullies, which in my area we call them mtaro in Luo language. Now this particular person has mitigated the losses which may arise as a result of the heavy losses, and he has dug this particular place, which has helped so much to collect a lot of rainwater which comes from the upper hill section of his farm. So from here, this water will be collected here, which could have otherwise destroyed his nice potato farm. So I'm also encouraging you, my valuable viewers, if you have this kind of problem in your area, you can construct this kind of thing which can collect rainwater which comes from the upper hill coming to this particular farm. So in this area, when it rains, all the water which comes from the upper section will come and be collected here, and then not affecting the sweet potatoes here. Residents of this particular region have taken it upon themselves to repair the road. This is the major road which connects my village to the highway which leads to Kisumu and Kakamega County. So this route has been this way since the heavy rains started pounding this region. The damage is severe, and it has made it impossible for those people who are doing business in this region. They incur a lot of losses or even use a lot of money to take their produce to the market. Remember, I had showcased my village telling you that there are a lot of farm produce coming from this area. We have avocado, we have arrowroot, we have cassava, we have sweet potatoes, we have sugarcane, and we also have maize. So when you harvest and you want or you intend to take your produce to the market, either Kisumu County or Kakamega County, this is the route that leads to the major highway. So before you connect in the major highway, we'll have to persevere this poor road network before coming to the tarmac or the good road network that goes to Kisumu County. So, my valuable viewers, you can see older women also are trying to make their way to their nearest shopping center. This is what they go through every day. You can witness the driver of this particular tractor is trying to maneuver his way out of this particular road. This has not been easy because he has been struggling for this kind of problem for the past 4 days, but he hasn't succeeded as a result of the poor road network that we do have in this particular village. So he has called the help of the village members also to put their hands to ensure that this particular investor gets his farm produce to the nearest sugarcane miller. Niambe agora Goen lwen koro onge wene adong wate matema kata kigo 10 minutes
tiwene wadu tigini nyo kelo masira ka.
We are having a candid discussion with my fellow village members. We want to find out the best way in which we can help the tractor driver get out the tractor out in the shortest time possible. It has not been easy because the nearest way you can do, or the easiest way we can use, is to dig the sides of the road and also get some stones which will eventually help us to get the tractor out of this particular place. Eric! As you can witness, my valuable viewers, we are using every trick in the book, every possible way. Everybody is trying to put his best idea so that we can help this particular investor reap the maximum benefits of his effort. Remember, we are all struggling to get food on the table and at the same time have money in our pocket. So we also know the feeling that this particular investor do have after investing a lot of his money in sugarcane planting. My valuable viewers, the reason as to why I'm doing this particular video is to try to showcase the problems that the heavy rainfalls have caused in my village. And if there's any viewer who is in a position who can help this particular situation to be better, then he can use this particular video to assess the damage and the kind of material that you do need to ensure that we get a good road. My valuable viewers, this is the route that leads to the major highway which connects Kisumu and Kakamega. So you can imagine if you have something for the market, how difficult it can be. You can witness here that we are trying to do every trick in the book to ensure that this particular investor gets his time and money back, because we also share the same feelings that if it takes another 4 days for the truck to be here, then the damage will be so much. Remember, it has already taken the past 4 days to be here, so if we add the next few days to come, then it will be more than damage to one person to invest. That's why we are using every trick to help this particular person out of this place. There is a small glimpse of hope. The tractor has moved at least, you can say, 2 meters. So the efforts are starting to reap fruits. Now we are putting a lot of energy. That is now around midday. We are trying to see the fruits of our hard labor. It is past 1 p.m. We are still at the same place, but we are trying our best. Finally, around 2:15 p.m., the tractor driver managed to maneuver his way out of this particular muddy road. We were so pleased, we were so happy that finally we have helped the person to get his produce to the farm. So this is the result of our effort. Thank you so much, my valuable viewers, for watching this particular video until the tail end. I hope you have enjoyed this particular video. I would like to know what you think about this particular video. Where are you watching this particular video from? What do you think is the best solution that people can adapt so that they can solve their problems as a result of this poor road network? I don't want to engage myself in a lot of politics, but I just wanted to showcase some of the problems that do occur when we don't vote wisely. Next time you get an opportunity to vote, make sure that you get the right person in the office so that this particular person can come and solve your problems as a result of good leadership. I'm Julius. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Let us meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel, Public Desire Media TV. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.